In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to visualize accounting with Looker Studio. We'll connect your accounting data from a Google Sheet and get it onto a report canvas so you can start turning numbers into clear visuals. Begin by opening Looker Studio in your browser. On the homepage, head into the reporting section where your reports live. Open the report you want to use for your accounting dashboard. If it opens in view-only mode, switch into editing so you can make changes. At the top of the editor, look for the option to add data to this report. Click Add Data. This is how we bring your accounting spreadsheet in as a data source. In the connector search bar, type Google Sheets. You'll see the Google Sheets connector appear in the list. Click it to continue. If this is your first time using it, you might be prompted to allow access to your files so Looker Studio can read the spreadsheet. That's expected in order to connect your data. Now, choose the specific spreadsheet that contains your accounting information. It helps if your sheet is organized with clear headers in the first row, things like date, account, category, debit, credit, and amount, and that numbers are stored as numbers and dates as dates. Clean, consistent headers make your fields easier to work with once they're in Looker Studio. After selecting the spreadsheet, pick the exact worksheet tab you want to visualize. Many accounting files have multiple tabs for transactions, chart of accounts, or summaries, so be sure to choose the one with the transaction level data you intend to analyze. With the worksheet selected, click Add to bring this data into your report. Looker Studio will attach the sheet as a data source, and you'll see its fields, dimensions, and metrics available for use in the editor. You can now place the data on your page. Click and drag to add it to the canvas, and Looker Studio will insert a table powered by your sheet. Resize the table handles so everything fits neatly on your page. If the columns don't look right, check that your sheet's first row truly contains the field names and that currency and date formats are set correctly in the original spreadsheet. Those settings carry through and help your totals and date groupings behave as expected. From here, you're set up with your accounting data inside Looker Studio and visible on the report. With the connection in place and your table on the canvas, you're ready to build out visuals that turn raw transactions into insights.